This one says wait to cross. Probably because this one's an older one. This one's older.
Wait, 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 wait.
Look at that. That one's older. That other one isn't.
Wait to cross.
One of them.
Wait.
I've heard the other one go say walk sign is on to cross on that end, but this one's probably gonna make a different noise.
Wait to cross.
This one is upside down. And it's older. Because look at this. Yeah.
Wait to cross.
It's gonna take forever.
Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
Hurry up.
Wait to
Stupid
cross.
thing. I'm waiting. Just hurry up. This thing.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
I've been waiting for a consecutive few minutes, and this thing isn't still.
Wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait to cross.
I'm waiting, but you are not going to let me get.
Walk sign is on
What?
to
Whoa!
Walk sign
What the heck?
cross.
Is
Walk
that
sign
what?
is on to cross.
Is that?
Walk sign.
Oh. This thing doesn't beep all at once, and it flashes slower. Look at that. I think that other one beeps faster.
Wait. Wait to cross Thornydale Road at Ina Road.
That one says it a different way, but this one doesn't. Why?
Wait to cross Thornydale Road at Ina Road. Wait to cross Thornydale Road at Ina Road.
Come on. I'm not here to wait.
Wait to cross Thornydale Road at Ina Road. Wait to cross Thornydale Road at Ina Road. Thornydale. Walk sign is on to cross Thornydale.
Thornydale. Apparently this one is different. Reminds me of the one at Sabino
Wait.
Canyon. Because it says,
Wait to
it
cross.
just says wait to cross. And it just says walk sign is on to cross here. And that's it.